In 2025, there are hundreds of AI tools online. But only a few are powerful, free, and so good, they feel almost illegal to use. Today, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that will change how you work, create, and think. Let's start with tool number 1. Gamma.app. If you've ever built a PowerPoint or a Google slide deck from scratch, you know how long it takes. Gamma changes that. Just type a topic, like marketing plan, or AI for beginners, and Gamma builds the entire presentation layout for you. Slides, visuals, text formatting, it's all done in seconds. You can edit it after, but most of the work is handled by the AI. This is perfect for students, creators, professionals, or anyone who wants to stop wasting time on boring slides. Tool number 2 is 11labs.io. This one creates shockingly realistic voiceovers from plain text. Whether you're narrating a YouTube video or creating an audiobook, 11labs gives you studio-quality audio in just a few clicks. Even better? The free version gives you 10,000 characters per month, enough for several full voiceovers. And the voices don't sound robotic. They have emotion, tone, and pacing that feels natural. Great for content creators, marketers, or even just for fun. Tool number 3 is ChatGPT with GPT-4o and web access. You probably know ChatGPT by now, but not everyone uses it to its full potential. With GPT-4o, you can summarize entire websites, analyze PDFs, generate blog posts, and even code. It's like Google, but smarter. Add the right plugins, or use GPT-4o's web browsing, and you have a research assistant that never sleeps. This tool alone can replace multiple apps in your daily routine. Tool number 4 is Pictory.ai. Yes, the same tool we used to make this video. Pictory takes any script or blog post, and turns it into a polished, AI-generated video. It picks visuals, adds captions, and lets you choose an AI voice, so you don't need a camera or mic. You can upload 12+ videos per month even on the starter plan. For YouTube automation, this is the secret weapon. And finally, tool number 5. Leonardo.ai. This is for artists, designers, game developers, and even meme makers. Leonardo generates stunning AI artwork and 3D assets in seconds. From fantasy characters to realistic objects, the quality is insane. And yes, you get daily free credits to generate whatever you want. Upload your own prompts, or remix others, and watch your idea come to life. These 5 tools are just the beginning. AI is evolving fast, and if you're not using it, you're falling behind. Which tool are you going to try first? Subscribe to Loop Mind AI for weekly videos like this one, bite-sized, useful, and always free.